Hi everybody, here with Jesse Graff. Today is Crutch Walking 102. How to get out of a chair, how to get off the floor if you're using crutches. Take it away, Jesse.
All right, well, anytime I'm sitting in a chair, I try to find a way that I can elevate my leg. If I have nothing to put it on, I can usually find a way to crisscross the crutches, pull them in place. If you have a narrower cast, you can put it through here, but right now I've got this ginormous boot, so I'm propping it here. Can also do it over an arm. But once I try to stand up, ideally you have the strength in your healthy leg to just stand up. But you've got these handy crutches. So I'm going to grab the, what would you call these? Grab the inside.
Inside prong.
Vertical inside. Place this just a little bit behind my foot, maybe at my heel. And I'm gonna use the crutches to pull forward so my weight gets over my leg and assist the squat standing up. So holding here, I'm gonna lower to the chair so I'm not falling and like committing to it.
Exactly.
You could do these just for exercise.
Exactly.
It's pretty great.
And these, as Jesse just said, these are great exercises to do before surgery so that you have pre-op strength before the surgery happens. It gets your body ready to use the crutches properly.
From the side.
Exactly.
So I'm gonna put this right where my heels are, grab just below the handles so I can pull up, place, grab, set.
Absolutely. Perfect. Yes, exactly. Now, what about getting off the floor, Jesse? How would you do that? If you're on the floor, or if you go from the chair to the floor, how would you get up?
Ooh, exactly the same principle. So first, we're gonna use the crutches as an extension of the arm to get rid of the chair.
Right.
All right, so now I'm going to grab these vertical rails,
Yep.
place it farther behind me, halfway between where I'm aiming to sit and where my foot is. And I'm putting my weight on these so I can lower. Got 3 points of contact, foot, crutch, crutch.
Exactly.
Putting it right around where my butt is, pulling forward to get my weight over my foot.
That's it. Almost like a pistol squat.
It's an assisted pistol squat. So I don't want to put them too far back because they're gonna slip.
Slide, yes.
These are great crutch nubs.
Oh, they really are. They're not moving.
I had to replace them.
Oh, I'm sure you've been
But
moving.
they could easily slip out behind you.
Right.
So you want to put them right by your hips, pull up, set.
That's it. Well, this is Crutch 102 with elite athlete Jesse Graff. Go, Jess. If this video was very helpful to you, and I hope it was, be sure to check out our other videos that will also help you to be healthy and fit.